I thought that was the train beeping. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
你慢慢隻眼會適應，睇到多啲㗎啦。隻眼慣咗就得㗎啦，點解？
Well, I would like to officially welcome you all to the Britannia Mine Museum. My name is Angie. I'll be your guide as we get to travel deep into the mountain and start to explore mining from a pretty unique perspective. Is this anyone's first time visiting the museum? Oh, thank you, wonderful. I have tons of exciting things to share with you today. If anyone has been here before, I'll do my best. Keep it as fresh and exciting as history will allow me to. Today, we have the privilege to be learning and exploring on the traditional and unceded territories of the Squamish Nation. We are not explicitly talking about their story today. If you have questions or you'd like recommendations on other places to go and learn more, please ask. I want to get us started with a bit of a survey just to see how much copper you've already used today. Did anyone use a toaster? Maybe making their breakfast this morning? Just the two people who put their hands up. I'll get more of you with this one. Who has a cell phone in their pocket? There we go. Did you ride in a car to get here today? Yeah, I hope so. So these things all share something really important in common. That's their use of electricity. Copper, one of the best and more affordable conductors, but not this kind of conductor. This is the highway for electricity, powering the things that we've really come to rely on. And today, we get to explore how copper goes from being a mineral that is just trapped in the mountain to something that we can use in these electronics. And my hope is that when you leave today, you have a new appreciation for this process and maybe even a little bit of knowledge on how you can have a positive impact on the future of mining. But here is where our story begins, with ore. Now this sample is filled with all kinds of minerals, but there's one in particular that led to the success of the Britannia mine. This is chalcopyrite. So we're gonna say this only one time and all together for practice, okay? You ready? Chalcopyrite. You can practice. I'll come up closer so you can take a good look. The chalcopyrite that we're looking for is this golden, sparkly mineral you'll see. I'm going to get started at the back of the train, and then I'll make my way forwards for you. Chalcopyrite, if you want to practice. Now you might recognize part of that word, pyrite. That's commonly known as fool's gold. So this is like fool's gold's cousin, if minerals have. Pyrite, that's made up of iron and sulfur. Chalcopyrite, the stuff in my hand, made of the same iron and sulfur, but now it has the financial bonus of the copper being in there. There we go. Come up here so everyone gets a good look. There it is. I'll get that hard hat for you, don't worry.
Oh.
So this is what we're looking for today. This nice, golden, sparkly chalcopyrite. Obviously, this is a regular train. For today, let it be our time machine, here to transport us back to the early 1900s when this operation was just getting started. It does take about 5 minutes to travel that far back in time. And in addition to our time-traveling adventure, we are moving through this well-lit tunnel. Take advantage of this. Have a good look around. See if you can find anything interesting along the way. Now, I'll be sure to ring that bell again, just so you know about to move. When we stop at the other end, wait in your seats. I've got a few more instructions to make sure we all exit safely. Are you ready for some adventure?
Yes.
Yes.
啲冇位啊！
Little thing about time machines, okay? They run on.
你攞呢個用
係咪你錄啊？
All right,
我都唔
ready?
想拎。
Ready for some adventure? Yeah!
All
All right, let's go.
仲好啲咪？
你有？我覺得你電話咯，係啊。你話嗰個嘔？唔知喎。
with you. It is a very big step out, and this is where I see the hard hats get the most use. Just be careful. Once you've collected your things, you can carefully exit towards me on the right-hand side. And we're going to make our
落
way
車啦，落車，攞齊嘢啊，唔會翻嚟。
heading down this chamber here.
係啊，落齊，小心來啊！係啊，攞齊嘢，唔好留低，唔會翻嚟㗎啦，唔會坐翻同一架車。
乖啊！
來，我，哎呀，OK，得，我跟住你嘅。
Wonderful. Tell me, what were some of the interesting things that you saw as you made our way through the tunnel? Was there anything that stood out and caught your eye? Explosive. I like where your head is at. This will come in handy for us in a little bit. Anything else interesting? Maybe some sparkling stuff. Yeah, we got a lot of water down here. Any unexpected colors? Blue. The blue, yeah. Did everyone see this blue-green color on the side? Okay, good, because this is an important observation. I'm glad that you noticed it. These blues and greens, these are copper-based minerals. So this is our clue, the indication, telling us there's still a lot of copper in this mountain today. And right now, it's traveling with all that water you probably saw. It interacts with the oxygen down here, creating these beautiful colors. So we can see there is still copper here. But we've just traveled back in time. So the best tool you have for finding this copper, you've already used it, your eyes. So I'm going to give you the opportunity to practice searching for these minerals just as early geologists did, by reading the rock. I do want to set you up for success. So come have a look at the rocks that are in front of you on the railing. If your phone's handy, the light will probably make it a bit easier, but I'll walk around with a flashlight for you as well. So come on up, have a read. See some good stuff on there. This one's my favorite.
이제 다시 그리고
No agreement. Doesn't have to have agreement.